Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Matab Mirza, and in this video I will show you how to make the immunity booster drink. So this vibrant golden juice blend has carrots, amla and turmeric for a potent antioxidant boost, while lemon and grapefruit add a refreshing citrus zing. Ginger warms the body and supports digestion, and pineapple brings natural sweetness with a dose of bromelain for inflammation relief. And here is a list of each of the ingredients and their health benefits. can drink this juice in the morning empty stomach or post-workout, or if you need to boost your immunity during cold and flu, or if you need to enhance your skin radiance, then it is a good time to drink this juice. I hope you guys liked the video. Eat well, live well. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.